Okay, so I'm gonna take a Paint Pal Big Drop filbert brush, and I am taking Dragon by Tag, which is these gorgeous, like flame fiery colors. This is a great, great split cake for the fall for so many reasons. But I'm gonna show you how to do a quick pumpkin. So I've got those colors loaded up, and what I'm going to do is simple C shapes. So I'm going to do a C shape on this side, and then I'm going to flip my brush so that the colors are opposite of each other, and I'm going to do another C shape. And then I'm going to do another C shape inside that, and I'm flipping my brush and going back to this side, and then doing the middle. And there's the start to a very, very easy pumpkin. If you want to even out the bottom, you can just drag the brush right in to even out the bottom. And that is the start to the simplest pumpkin ever. No stencils required. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean out that same brush. I would usually have more than one brush on the job, but for this video I'm just going to use my same Paint Pal brush, and I'm going to load the lighter greens, and then for some dimension I'm just going to drag the corner right into the dark green on this green split. I think it's Tag Snake. It's also a really, really great split, one of my favorites. So now I have this green loaded brush, and I'm going to just press at the top and pull to create a petal. Same on the other side, 2 little teardrops. And then for the stem, I'm just going to pull and press. And then I can even do some vines with this because it is just such a versatile brush. So that pumpkin is something that I would do on cheeks for Halloween and fall, as well as in the center of a forehead for the start of a crown. So you can do spider webs around it as well if you want it to make it a little bit creepier. And you can always drag in some green into the pumpkin too, because it makes for kind of a cool little highlight. One of my other favorite things to use around Halloween is the Pixie Paint Rockstar. It's this really cool black and silver mix, which just lends itself really nicely to Halloween. So I really like throwing this around designs, especially if I'm doing it like a really, really quick cheek art. This adds a really, really cool, quick element and really elevates your Halloween designs. So I am a big, big fan of this pixie paint for Halloween. So that's a quick way to glam up your pumpkin. Now if you want to turn your pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern, just grab any small brush and some black paint, and you can very quickly add a couple triangles for eyes and fill them in, and then add in a jack-o'-lantern smile. Now I personally do feel like this is quicker for me than grabbing a stencil. I like stencils, I enjoy using them, but when I'm doing really, really quick work, it is much easier for me to freehand a jack-o'-lantern's face than it is to grab a stencil. While you're doing that, if you want to add in some spider webs, you can absolutely do that. And you can even add like a little spider body and some legs sitting on top of your pumpkin. And that way it is a very creepy Halloween pumpkin. So this is a very, very popular design for Halloween and for fall. And again, this can go on the top of a forehead, and you can do bigger spider webs around the side to turn it into kind of a crown. Very often this is cheek and arm art for me for events. If you have time, you can always toss a little bit of a highlight into the eyes of the jack-o'-lantern, or if you want it to be more like a glowing jack-o'-lantern, you can do those in neon yellow so that it looks like it is glowing and it has a candle in it. I hope you guys like this design and that it is helpful for Halloween. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in more Halloween videos this fall.